is a dance to interpret the women of Paraguay and how they would offer to the soldiers water when they would come home after fighting the war, as a demonstration of appreciation for their hard work. Also, there is this pilgrimage that Paraguayan people do as a promise for their religion, where it's called Para la Virgen de Cacupé. And it's miles long walking where people get tired because of the heat. It's really hot in Paraguay. So there's also offerings of water for those people who are walking through the pilgrimage. So please enjoy.
Esta es la danza de la galopera, internacionalmente conocida. Cuando alguien escucha pájaro campana, es como el himno nacional paraguayo. Y cuando escucha galopera, eso sí que lo caracteriza mucho más, porque es como es parte de nuestra cultura, la danza del cántaro y la botella. Con ustedes ahora van a interpretar las chicas algo muy bonito y muy jocoso. Dice, Guayní Puizapé. That is the toenails, you know, the ladies' toenails. That is very funny the way they dance. And then we will see too also when they are men, all men, or they dancing almost the same way. Okay, with you, then when me put up